Yan, ito yung sabaw niya. Tomato soup. At ito yung kanyang breakfast. Japanese noodles at boiled egg. Ayan. Ayan, ito na yung kanyang breakfast guys. Meron siyang Japanese noodles, sliced pork with tomato soup. At saka yung kanyang hot milk. Ayan, bubuhos natin. Ayan. Mayroon siyang hot milk at boiled egg at saka warm water. Ayan. So, isi-serve na natin guys ang kanyang breakfast. Hintayin natin siya na lumabas ang kanyang kwarto, no? Ayan. At isi-serve na natin ang kanyang agahan. Ito naman yung aking agahan. Malapit na maubos yung aking sandwich. Salmon sandwich. Tsaka mayroon akong kape. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you so much. Nihintay pa natin yung kanyang paggising. Tatakpan lang natin, no? So, buson na natin yung ating sandwich. Tayong kape. Ayan, thank you so much.